We have, well, they're not on now because the car's in park, but below we have the fog lights.
Yeah, F1 will have, the new ones have F1. If you watch when they hit top speed, it literally just looks like a hallway going through the lane.
That is not a regular Mustang, dude. Oh my lord.
Yeah, there's love, there's hate, lies and games, faith.
So I just realized that I've never really done a full review on our Mazda CX-5. And I don't know, just look at it from the outside, right? Just from the outside, to me, it definitely looks like a more upscale vehicle. Like driving it and the presence of it, it feels like a Mercedes or something to me. And my friend, when he got in the interior, he actually told me that it reminded him of a Bentley because of the leather, the type of leather and where it's at. I'll show you what we're talking about. So you get in the interior, you got the CX-5 mats, you got the white leather on the door, you have the white leather on the side where your legs go, where your knees will be touching that. Beautiful white leather, armrest, the chairs, and every tech feature that you can ask for, it's in here. It's like fully loaded. You got your sunroof, you know, it's like pretty much everything you can ask for, really, you know. I mean, in the back seats, you have your vents in the back there, so you know the kids can stay cool. Same thing here too. You have the white leather armrest there, and you got your Bose sound system right there, so the music sounds amazing. Oh yeah, and let's see if yeah, do like that, and you get the, you know, you get that to open. And if we want, I think we can get it to close the same way. So that automatic lift gate thingy. I mean, you know, even down to the wheels, everything about this looks and feels special. It drives pretty much like, what would I say the driving feels like? Feels like a sports car that's not that fast, but it's like nice and comfortable. Like, so as it starts up, all right, there you go. Let's turn that off. Turn off the music. And then you got your navigation loading there. Oh, you have heated and cool seats. You got your heated and cool seats. I mean, just a little bit of everything that you can need. You know what I mean? I like, even, you know, you got the Bose little tweeter thing there. I mean, you know, sunroof, just everything. It's just a well built, even the way the door closes, like when you hear it, it's like a nice thud. And yeah, so this is one of our cars. This is really the wife's car. You guys let me know what you think about it, and we'll go on to showing you a little bit about the Corolla in a bit. So, oh yeah, I almost forgot to mention, so we have, well, they're not on now because the car's in park, but below we have the fog lights, and then we have the daytime running lights. And when you like turn the steering wheel, the lights turn with the steering wheel. So yeah, man, it's just like, I think Mazda hit a home run with this car. Like, I love it so much, I think I might buy another one, you know, one in black just for me. But yeah, this is like one of my favorite vehicles of all time. Actually, I just remembered that we have an auto show to go to. It's like a Fast and Furious car show. And yeah, so I'll do the review on the Corolla later. But for now, we're probably going to end up taking out the Camaro. So yeah, so I'll do a review on the Corolla later. But for right now, we're getting ready to roll out in the Camaro. Alright, so I made it to the car show. Here's what we got.
Listen, I'm spitting some wisdom at you with every line, hitting the righteous intent to twist you up every time. My mind accelerates higher speeds with every rhyme. Into a better place I exceed for every sign. A Virgo child thinking the pictures of brothers lining up in suits, posing up on the stoop like me and my brothers before Sunday school. Thinking I will one day rule my own life and someday choose to flow tight's not an option, necessity. Getting me blessings and lessons I'll cherish till they bury me. Heavily breathing, I'm heavy set in heaven believing. Every achievement I'd ever get will set me a reason for me to see I have faith, and it's the key to my safe, the freedom to chase the dream that I make, and it's the weight on my shoulders how I gotta pen it. And if I couldn't carry it, I wouldn't gotta been it. I tried to rise, but these people trying to hold me down, trying to make me frown. It's going down, but I ain't, cause I tried and I will stay alive. And I tried to rise, but these people trying to hold me down, trying to make me frown. It's going down, but I ain't, cause I tried and I will stay alive. And I sit back with a pen and I just jot these words and then recite them, trying to see if they was half the words. The words said it ain't worth it if it ain't absurd. You gotta put your heart and soul into every word. And even if the birds ain't feeling a sick verse, well you stick with that verse, cause that's the gift and the curse. Slang said you gotta give it up for yourself first and do the shit for nobody else. Nobody else is helping. That's the reason why I probably felt the way. Black spitting on the Philadelphia, half he was getting it. Somebody one day who I'm trying to be mentioned with a place next to it. Let the lyrics slip infinite. I got beats that are not for sale, y'all. Just because they hot as hell, it's a rap, y'all. So don't get mad cause the tracks I rapped on, I stopped giving hot beats to rhymes that's lukewarm. I tried to rise, but these people trying to hold me down, trying to make me frown. It's going down, but I ain't, cause I tried and I will stay alive. And I tried to rise, but these people trying to hold me down, trying to make me frown. It's going down, but I ain't, cause I tried and I will stay alive.
We fight for power and control at the sake of our souls. And the way to go, my niggas souls are sold. I find it hard to write battle raps when I'm battling myself. And going close to the poverty and away from wealth. Mama working 3 jobs so we can have heat. Even fuck you in the streets and how you carry heat. So much pain caused in the pursuit of dope, you know. And so much blood spilled in the chase for homes and goals. But I want it all. I can reconcile my pain with my pleasure. If they coming from the same place, same source, running the same together. I got a raw deal in life. I shit it out, got up and now I'm back in the fight. And then lost my life and made it through depression. I was at it, baby girl, ain't want to bring her in this world. And I tried to rise, I tried to find my way in this world and nearly lost my mind. Cause I
tried to rise, but these people trying to hold me down, trying to make me frown. It's going down, but I ain't, cause I tried and I will stay alive. And I tried to rise, but these people trying to hold me down, trying to make me frown. It's going down, but I ain't, cause I tried and I will stay alive. And I tried to rise, but these people trying to hold me down, trying to make me frown. It's going down, but I ain't, cause I tried and I will stay alive. And I tried to rise, but these people trying to hold me down, trying to make me frown. It's going down, but I ain't, cause I tried and I will stay alive. And I rise.
Hold up, we gotta get your shirt in here. Wu-Tang?
And my Instagram is Wu-Tang product.
For real? Hey, I like that.
My license plate was supposed to be Wu-Tang product. Wu-Tang GS. GS300.
You're right.
I never got it.
I tried to rise, but these people trying to hold me down, trying to make me frown. It's going down, but I ain't, cause I tried and I will stay alive. And now I tried to rise, but these people trying to hold me down, trying to make me frown. It's going down, but I ain't, cause I tried and I will stay alive. And I rise.
Oh, nice. That's gonna be dope, man. That's gonna be dope.
I'm not sure yet, though. I'm debating whether I'm gonna go with like a saddle brown, like how the Beamers have that saddle brown, or like kind of like a yellow to try to go with the Wu-Tang. But I just feel like the yellow is just too.
It's too much.
It's a little too much.
Yo, I just realized something.
What's up?
I just know you as King's Lifestyle. Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Your real name is
Anthony King.
Anthony King.
Yes.
All right.
So I go by King's Lifestyle.
All right.
Yep.
So you got a legit claim to the throne, basically.
Yes, exactly, exactly. It's in the name. You know what I mean?
Well, I know you're deeply into cars, so I want you to show me the car that you came with today.
Oh yeah, for sure I will.
All right.
Yeah, I got you. So, today I brought the GT.
All right.
We'll start off
And
with
this
the
is
interior.
Ooh,
All right.
nice and clean.
So, what I did, we got Alcantara on the dash, on the steering wheel, all the pillars. We got a star roof, the star roof liner.
Okay. The star roof liner.
Yep.
Oh snap!
Yep.
I don't know if the
colors.
camera could catch this.
I got all the Alcantara suede, and then
Dude.
of course we're on air.
Yes.
I just
definitely on here.
Just put a stage 2 transmission in her. Ford racing shifter, brand new center console. That's all brand new.
Dude.
Just came in a week ago.
You when you do cars, you put a lot of love into it, yo.
So like I said, this is the daily. So this is a street build. So even though it's not made to show, it's made for power.
So your daily street car has how much horsepower?
800.
Yeah, that's not really a daily.
I think that's a perfect daily. I mean, I don't have issues moving over on the highway.
I hear you.
Yes, sir.
You'll laugh if you heard what my daily has.
Oh yeah, let me guess, 460.
Nope.
What? What's that say?
169. I got a Corolla. I figured it would be like, you know, like.
Yeah, and then I like to lower it so when I hit crowds, especially when people are trying to look in the motor.
Right.
I usually just take their kneecaps off. You know what I mean?
That's really kind of you, because
so
most Mustang owners don't even do that.
No, we just run it. We just kill them. We just run right into them. So I don't want to do all that. So usually when people have a little crowd killer right there,
right.
I say, okay, you want to check it out? I'll put it in the first gear for you. You know what I mean?
Hold up, I realized something that looks different too. Are these like the Ford motor, the sleeves, or what do you call these?
Yes, 5.8.
It's 5.8?
From the 5.8 liter, yes.
Wow.
We just put iridium spark plugs in there about 3 days ago too, because I was having a misfire. So I was like, okay, looked at my sparks, they were burnt. They were gapped at 0.45, and with how much boost I'm running, they had to gap at 0.3.
How much boost are you running on a Pro Charger?
Only 8 pounds.
Golly.
Yeah, fully built motor. But yeah, so with the spark plugs and everything, hopefully we made that better. I am getting some oil gunk up on bank 1, cylinder 1 and 2. So the next thing that we're probably going to end up doing is a valve job. And then from that valve job, upgrading the fuel rails, probably go to a Holley, high ram, sniper intake manifold, and a D1X, so that way we can hit 950.
Nice.
That's
Yeah.
the goal, man.
All right. Well, since this is the daily, a daily 950 car, I mean, I know what everybody's going to ask, what everybody's going to want to see and hear. They're going to hear what this beast sounds like, yo. You going to crank it up for us?
I will.
All right.
Just for you, my man.
Yes, Mr. King is cranking up his daily. Let's hear what he sounds like. Yo, snap.
So, as you can tell, as long as it's started up, it's a normal Mustang. Daily driving it.
No, you hear a little whistle. It almost sounds like a turbo whistle.
Yeah. Well, that's what the Pro Charger is. Basically a belt-fed turbo, if you think about it. Normal. It's not too loud or anything. The reason I love it is when you get on. I'll show you.
That is not a regular Mustang, dude. Oh my lord. Dude. How is this a daily?
What do you mean? How is it not a daily, right?
Oh my god. This is legit race car friends approved. This is a race car, my friend.
And let me tell you, best part about it is not only do I enjoy it, but everybody else enjoys it.
No doubt.
That's really what makes me happy, is seeing everybody else happy.
Now we're just gonna do a quick looked around at the Corolla XSE, and obviously this is my daily driver, but I wanted to show you guys that it's actually, even though it's nothing that's too expensive or anything, but it does have a look good, and I find it quite stylish. And for the interior, I actually think for the segment it's actually pretty nice.